everyone, finally I'm back with another interesting card that can be used in any scrapbook, explosion box or any other project that you're working on. I have named this card as popping flap card. Isn't this amazing? So let's see what all materials we need to make this. These are the basic tools that we need when it comes to crafting. I believe every crafter must have these tools when starting with any craft project. These tools are my personal favorite. Moving on, we need to have these cutouts of cardstock ready and some design paper cutouts as shown. So before making this card, these are the materials and things that we need to be prepared with. Now let's start making it. I also wanted to say thank you to every one of you for waiting this long and supporting me when I wasn't active on YouTube and Instagram. All this while I was planning a surprise for you all, which I will be revealing in my next video. Stay tuned, keep watching and keep learning. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos and get to learn something new whenever you watch my videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Follow on Instagram @allaboutsketch for more updates. And don't forget to visit our website www.srushti.patil.sp for all art and craft materials.